that weird bitch.
Red Master Funk in this bitch.
Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to talk about Carvana. So what is Carvana? Carvana is an online car dealership. So it is operated 100% online. There's not a physical location you can go to. In order to buy a car, you have to go to the website or the app carvana.com in order to purchase a vehicle. So today I'm just going to give you guys a brief overview of what Carvana is, how to use it, and how to best benefit off of using this platform, and maybe a little bit of ins and outs on how it works and what you get when you do order a vehicle from Carvana. First off, when you go to the website, you might be overwhelmed. You're going to see tens of thousands of cars all available at the same time on the website. So a good rule of thumb is when you go car shopping, narrow it down to a few different choices that you would like to look at or features that you're looking for in a car. So if you're looking for a 4-door, then boom, search for 4 doors. If you're looking for like a 7-passenger or like a van, boom, narrow it down to that, what features you want in it. That will kind of ease you into it so you don't get overwhelmed from all the multiple choices that they have on the website. So great thing about the website is you have access to so many cars right at your fingertips. You just log in, go to the website, search for whatever you want to find, and then you'll have different choices of different colors, models, makes, tons of different features. So always a good thing when you can have that resource where you can search everything in a kind of one-stop shop location online. One thing I want to recommend, so Carvana does sell massive amounts of cars. There's different types of options that you can utilize. You can either finance the vehicle, you can finance it through a third party like a bank, credit union, or you can pay cash. So each option has pros and cons. If you have cash, the process is super easy. You go on there, you can either link your bank account or manually verify your funds. And then from that point, boom, car's on its way. You don't actually pay for the car unless you receive it and you drive it and you like it. At that point, then your payment is processed and then your car is yours. Now, if you were to finance a vehicle, so financing is a very similar process. It goes based off your credit. So Carvana, one unique thing about them is they are able to work with people with not so great credit. So as long as you have income, a decent stream of income, and a down payment, you can purchase a car from Carvana. Now, here's the bad part of that. If your credit is not great and you don't have a boatload of cash, then it might not be the greatest option to go into Carvana and try to finance a vehicle. You're gonna have an extremely high APR interest rate. You're gonna have an extremely high down payment. Now, let's just say your credit score is not so great. It's in like the high 500s, low 600s. So if your credit score is not so great, what's gonna happen is you're gonna go on to Carvana all excited. You're going to try to get pre-qualified. So anybody can get pre-qualified as long as you have a credit history and it's over 18, you can get pre-qualified on the website. You then see exactly what the terms are going to be for your personal financing for each vehicle on the website, which is a great thing. But if your credit is not so great, you're going to end up paying, let's say for a $15,000 car, they're going to ask you for a good $5,000 to $10,000 down. So, which is not the greatest price that you can pay for a car. So one thing I would recommend is either saving up more money or building up your credit more before you decide to step into the world of car buying. Easily you'll end up spending double the amount for a $15,000 car. You're gonna end up spending $25,000, $28,000 when it's all said and done, when you pay off the loan. So definitely wanna make sure you guys save money. You're not spending double for a car. Now, Carvana has some interesting things. One, you can go to the vending machine. So they have a giant car vending machine. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but I'll go ahead and put up a little clip on what that looks like. There's also a pretty cool video I'll link in the description of how a vending machine is built, so you guys can see that. But they have a giant car vending machine which actually dispenses cars. You put a giant coin in it, it dispenses a car, and it comes down, rolls out, and then you're ready to take it for a drive. So the other cool feature is that they have home delivery. So each car on Carvana can be delivered straight to your front door. So you don't have to go anywhere, especially during these times, during the pandemic. You don't have to leave the safety of your home. They have a safety delivery process that they go through. And then at that point, you can have the car dropped off to your front door, take it for a drive. If you like it, you keep it. If you don't like it, you tell them to take it back, no money out of pocket. And I can attest that there's absolutely no money that is taken from you when you go through this process. And if you do decide to have a car delivered or go pick one up from the vending machine, you take it for a drive, you don't like it, you can reject it and you don't pay anything. Now, here's the bad part about that. Good part is you get the car, you get to try it out, whether it's pickup or delivery. Bad part is if you are financing, it is going to hit your credit because you do a hard credit pull when you do finalize that purchase in order to have it delivered or picked up. So be careful of that. If you are really conscious of having hard inquiries on your credit report, this will cause a hard inquiry on your credit report. So just be aware of that. That's something they might not mention in the whole entire process. So if you guys are interested in purchasing car online, looking at tons of choices, they have anything from a Chevy Malibu all the way up into a Porsche 911. So they have quite a few vehicles on there, quite a wide range that you can view. And then if you're interested in something, it doesn't hurt to get pre-qualified. That actually does not harm your credit when they do a soft credit pull. So you can always double check. I'll make a video later on. I've never done the soft credit pull there, but I'll let you guys know what my credit score is like and what exactly I qualify for on Carvana based off of my credit score and income. So you guys can kind of get an example of that before you pull the trigger and see exactly how that plays out. So look forward for that video in the future. And also, if you guys have tried Carvana, let me know in the comments how was your experience, what type of car you bought, do you think it's worth it to buy it online, was it safe, all those type of things. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of your Carvana experience, or if you're interested in trying it. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'll catch you guys later for the next video. Peace.